Your computer should automatically be protecting you from viruses, but it doesn't hurt to manually check every now and again. If you know for a fact you've got an installed antivirus program on your computer, you can always go to the desktop icon of your chosen antivirus program, double click and open the interface. Otherwise you might find it down in the system tray down the bottom right hand corner. If you left click onto it, you should find your antivirus icon within the system tray down here, and you can click onto it and you can run a scan from there. But if you're not sure whether you have a third-party antivirus program running on your computer, you can always use Windows 10 built-in security to run a scan for you. So let's do that now. Down to the search box, left click once, type in scan, and when virus and threat protection appears, left click once. And this particular computer is protected with Windows security, and here we have the option for a quick scan. Otherwise we've got the scan options here. We can left click onto this, and here we've got the options to change from a quick scan to a full scan or custom scan if you want, but we're going to go for the full scan. But it does take a few hours to complete, but you can continue using your computer at the same time. So put the pointer and click into full scan, scroll down and we click on scan now. And now the computer's running a scan. Like I say, it can take a couple of hours, and you just leave it until it's finished. The computer will tell you if it's found any viruses, and the tool will remove those viruses for you. There is another scan we can do as well, and we're going to use the MRT command, which is a malicious software removal tool. Down to the search box, left click once, type in MRT. When the MRT command appears, left click once onto it. Click on yes. When the removal tool appears, click on next. And again we've got the option for a quick scan or a full scan. We're going to go full scan. Put the pointer into the radio button, left click into it, and then click on next. And this is now going to scan for malicious software generally on your computer. Let this run. Again, this can take a couple of hours to complete. Any malicious software that it finds on your computer, it will remove for you.